Oh, I'm sorry. We're already discussing the final pick here for Noah Syndergaard. So, Noah, so far, you've gone with Tesla. You've gone with Amazon. What rounds out your stock draft?
I think what completes our team is going with a company like Nike.
Ooh. Blue chip.
Yeah,
Nike, baby. Why?
When I think of athletic clothing and innovation, I think of Nike. I don't think of brands like Under Armour or Adidas. I think those are going nowhere.
Are they a Mets sponsor, or you guys have?
I'm a Nike guy myself.
Yeah.
Sponsored by Nike, so I got to stay true to my roots.
All right.
It's just a great company.
There you go. Nike, you're all in. Under Armour, you don't think? Forget it. Adidas.
Under Armour is not good.
There you have it, guys.
Do you see the brilliance of Noah Syndergaard there? Think about what he just did. Think he just got himself
an endorsement.
Huge.
He looks good with that hat with the logo. Look at him with the hat with the logo. There you go.
Smart fella.
Smart guy. And he, as I said earlier, going to look great in Yankee pinstripes in about 3 years.
He's still saying
I like him in his current outfit. He's good. I may give him some tickets to the Phillies. I might buy him some tickets.
What do you think, Nike?
Look, I think Nike, if it hadn't moved, it had that great quarter, went down to 82, so up to 80. I think it goes to par, but I don't know how it goes past par.
All right, Mr. Wonderful, right?
Yep.
Let's go to Mr. Wonderful.
Dom?
And Dom.
Mr. Wonderful and I were just chatting about how pretty good that pick was at Nike over there. But Mr. Wonderful, you've got a very conservative portfolio. Yes. Blue chips, Johnson & Johnson, Altria. How do you follow that up?
You follow up with balance sheet and quality and cash flow.
That's what those first two were.
Well, you got number 3 here in P&G. It flows cash.
Procter & Gamble, guys,
Quality.
why?
Because, look, I've got a really high-quality balance sheet. I think there's going to be a lot of vol in the market. I think this is going to be a situation where all of these risky picks that my fellow stock pickers have made mistakes with are going to come back to roost. And I'm going to be sitting there with the highest quality balance sheet mix. I'm going to win by just taking the least risk. That's what's going to happen.
It doesn't scare you, the multiple on that stock right now?
No, because, I love the balance sheet. I love cash flow. All of my companies are, let's do it one more time, cash flow. That's what matters.
All right, stick around right here. Tyler, we'll send it back over to you.
All right,
I have my board again. No dividend.
Right.
Maybe Kevin didn't read the rules. Number one, number two. He's trying to get dinner at Nelson Peltz's house, which is a castle, by the way. That's not going to happen. Number two, number three. And I know you love it. You've been right from 70 to 103. It's too expensive.
Look, it's not that kind of stock for this contest.
Yeah.
It's just not. I mean, Twitter's is Freeport. Procter's not that kind of thing for this game.
Too slow and steady.
Yeah, I mean, it's perfect for people at home, but not this game.
Yeah. Pick is in. Kelly.
I know what I was
All right, guys, this is the penultimate pick of our entire stock draft for 2019. With the second to last pick here, Oz Pearlman is back after having gone with Disney and Bitcoin.
Yeah,
Oz,
unpredictable.
How do you round that out?
Going with one of the best-run banks on the street. I'm going to say that their recent foray into consumer with Marcus. I'm going with Goldman Sachs today. You know what? I think we're going to go after old highs from about 2 years ago.
Spicy.
They've weathered many storms before, and I think we're going to have strong results in the next 9 months.
Goldman Sachs, guys.
Guy, I have to go to you on this
Well,
one.
Jim and I both worked there around the same times. I'll say this. This is not your grandmother's Goldman Sachs. It's not our Goldman Sachs. This is a new Goldman Sachs. 207 is book value. I don't think it gets much above book value in the environment that we find ourselves in. So Oz might know, but I think you and I might know better.
But what I like about Oz's pick is what happens if this Malaysian thing is settled in the next 9 months? You had 50 quick points.
Yeah, you had on that. Yeah.
I think and he probably knows what's going to happen.
I
don't even know if it's fair. He probably knows exactly what's going to happen.
He probably knows what the settlement number is.
Solomon should ask him what he's going to pay.
Good point.
Beardstown Ladies, Frank Collins, what's their last pick?
Hey guys, here with the Beardstown Ladies. A lot of excitement here in the room, a lot of discussion, a lot of deliberation about what this pick would be. Some last minute adjustments, but I'm here with Buffy again. She says she feels confident in their research. Buffy, what will your last pick be?
Visa.
All right, give us an explanation. You actually picked Visa as one of your stocks last year.
We picked it last year and we were not sorry one day. Visa is the gorilla of the credit card business. They get much more business than the other two cards. They're active in the United States and overseas. And as I I said last year, they make money on both ends. From the retailer in the store has to pay when you use it, and if you don't pay your credit card on time, you pay again.
So for the second straight year, kind of a mixed bag. We have Alibaba, we have some biotech, and now we're finishing off with Visa. Everybody agree with this pick? Yeah. A lot of excitement.
They love profit, and that's what we're looking for.
Profit's what it's all about. That's the last pick of the CNBC stock draft. Back over to you.
Frank, thank you very much. Visa goes
I
off
like
the
it. The
board.
quarter was probably one of the weaker quarters they've had in the last few years in terms of payment volume. I mean, yet the stock still held up. I think that Visa is just a remarkable company, and I think Dow Kelly's doing a good job. I think that's a nice pick that could have some real upside velocity, given that they just reported not great quarter, and the next one's going to be much better.
I'm just looking at, Pinterest was out there.
I know.
Lyft is out there.
Google?
We threw 3M
Google?
in there. I mean, a lot of.
Twitter,
Were they in a courtroom, by the way? Is there something
think
the Beardstown
they were in a court of
Is there like some
law.
class action suit against them in their entirety, and they're just double dipping here?
Can of goose? I mean, who knew? Maybe there's another pillar
time before
vortex.
the judge walks in. I don't know.
Twitter is still there.
Jeez,
we need Judge Wapner had presided.
Where's the dice
Wouldn't that
rolls?
be great?
Now that we have all 3 rounds in the books, which basket looks like the winner at this point?
Jim,
what do you say?
Per person who has 3, which ones do I
Yeah.
like? I am thinking that I am still going to go with the Beardstown Ladies.